Let's learn and speak. Hello everyone and dear children, once again welcome back to Let's Learn and Speak French with English. Before entering into the video, please consider to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting upcoming videos. Today in this video, we will learn the invariable words in French. Aujourd'hui, dans cette vidéo, nous allons apprendre les mots invariables en français. The invariable words in French. Les mots invariables en français. As we know that in English, the word variable means change, invariable means do not change. En français, variable signifie changer. Invariable signifie ne pas changer. First, let us see what are variable French words. Most of the French words are variable. That means they change their form according to the sentence's meaning. That means they change in their pronunciation because they change in their spelling. Let us understand this with one example. The verb manger means to eat in English. The verb manger is conjugated in the present tense as follows. Je mange, I eat. Nous mangeons, we eat. Tu manges, you eat. Vous mangez, you eat. Il mange, he eats. Elle mange, she eats. Ils mangent, they eat. Here, the word manger is changing its form so that its pronunciation depending on the number. That means whether it is singular or plural, and depends on the person also. That means depends on the first person, second person or third person. It is changing its form and also its pronunciation. So this is an example of variable French word. So a variable French word keeps on changing its spelling so that its pronunciation also. Let us take one more example. The number 6 is pronounced as six in French. S-E-X is pronounced as six in French. So when this word six is written at the end of the sentence or when it comes alone, it is pronounced as sis. Whereas this word sis takes different pronunciation when it comes in front of a vowel sound. For example, six enfants, 6 children. This sentence should not be pronounced as six enfants. It should be pronounced as six enfants. Six enfants. Let us see the third case. What happens if the word six comes in front of a consonant sound? For example, 6 tables, six tables. So here the word six is followed by a word which begins with a consonant. T is a consonant here. So in front of the consonant sound, it should be pronounced as C, S-E-C. Here the letter X is kept silent. Six tables, 6 tables. Let's have one more example. Depends on the gender also, French words change their form. That means they change in their spelling as well as in their pronunciation. For example, il est français, he is French. Elle est française, she is French. Il est chanteur, he is a singer. Elle est chanteuse, she is a singer. So here the words français, française, chanteur, chanteuse, they change in their spelling as well as pronunciation depends on the gender. That means when the pronoun is masculine or feminine. So the majority of words in French are variable. That means they change their form depending on the meaning of the sentence. But some words are invariable. That means their form does not change regardless of the context in which they are used. That means they keep the same form whatever the context they are used in. They do not change nor in gender nor in number, nor in person. So, the invariable French words always have the same spelling as well as the same pronunciation when they are used in any context. Now, have a look at the definition of invariable French words. What are invariable French words? Invariable French words are words that never change in gender and number. They are always written in the same way. Quels sont les mots français invariables? Les mots français invariables sont des mots qui ne changent jamais en genre et en nombre. Ils sont toujours écrits de la même manière. Invariable French words are words whose spelling never changes. Les mots français invariables sont des mots dont l'orthographe ne change jamais. Let's see the most commonly used invariable words in French. Voyons les mots invariables les plus couramment utilisés en français. Ailleurs, somewhere else. Ailleurs, somewhere else. Afin de, in order to. Afin de, in order to. Afin que, so that. Afin que, so that. Ainsi, so, thus, thereby. Ainsi, so, thus, thereby. Aussi, also. Aussi, also. Alors, so. Alors, so. Après, after. Après, after. Assez, enough. Assez, enough. Au-dessous, below. Au-dessous, below. Au-dessus, above. Au-dessus, above. Aujourd'hui, today. Aujourd'hui, today. Autant, as much. Autant, as much. Autour, around. Autour, around. Autrefois, once. Formerly. Autrefois, once. Formerly. Avant, before. Avant, before. Avec, with. Avec, with. Beaucoup, a lot. Beaucoup, a lot. Bien, good, well, okay. Bien, good, well, okay. Bientôt, soon, shortly. Bientôt, soon, shortly. Car, because. Car, because. Ceci, this, it. Ceci, this, it. Cela, that. Cela, that. Chez, at the house of. Chez, at the house of. Combien, how much, how many. Combien, how much, how many. Comme, as, like, since. Comme, as, like, since. Comment, how. Comment, how. D'abord, first of all, at first. D'abord, first of all, at first. Dans, in, within, into. Dans, in, within, into. Dedans, inside, within, in. Dedans, inside, within, in. Dehors, out, outside. Dehors, out, outside. Déjà, already. Déjà, already. Demain, tomorrow. Demain, tomorrow. Depuis, since, from. Depuis, since, from. Derrière, behind. Derrière, behind. Déco, as soon as, once. Déco, as soon as, once. Davantage, further, any further. Davantage, further, any further. Devant, in front, before, ahead. Devant, in front, before, ahead. Donc, so, therefore. Donc, so, therefore. Dont, whose, of which. Dont, whose, of which. Durant, during. Durant, during. To be continued in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. À suivre dans la prochaine vidéo. Merci d'avoir regardé cette vidéo. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe for more interesting videos.